Welcome, dear friends. Today, let's embrace the ancient wisdom of Vastu Shastra. The north, associated with water, symbolizes wealth, abundance, and emotional well-being. By applying Vastu principles, we can invite positive vibrations into our lives. Enhance your wealth, prosperity, and well-being by aligning your space with Vastu. In Vastu, the north resonates with the powerful energy of water. Just as water nourishes life, the north direction can nurture our financial well-being and emotional balance. Imagine a tranquil stream, flowing effortlessly, carrying away stagnation and welcoming abundance. By embracing water's fluidity, clarity, and cleansing ability, we invite those qualities into our lives. The north direction is revered in Vastu as the direction of Kuber, the god of wealth. Aligning this direction with Vastu principles can unlock financial abundance and attract prosperity. Place symbols of wealth or financial documents in the north. As you arrange this area, visualize your financial goals manifesting with ease. Our homes should be sanctuaries of peace and well-being, and the north direction supports our health. A balanced north can promote calm, enhance clarity, and contribute to vitality. Incorporate elements that evoke soothing water energy. A water fountain creates a serene atmosphere inviting positive energy flow. The main entrance of our homes is the threshold between the outside world and our sanctuary. In Vastu, having the main entrance in the north is considered very auspicious. If your home's design allows, enhance the north entrance with elements that invite prosperity. A nameplate, a welcoming doormat, or a small plant can set the tone for abundance and positive energy. Each room, according to Vastu, has its ideal location to maximize positive energy flow. While the north is powerful for wealth and well-being, avoid placing the master bedroom here. Instead, use the north for a study or meditation room. The clarity and focus of the water element make it ideal for intellectual pursuits or connecting with your inner self. Colors evoke emotions and influence a space's energy. Embrace a water-inspired palette to amplify prosperity and well-being. Soft blues or calming greens enhance north's positive energy. Decorative elements like a mirror or water fountain attract prosperity and peace. Placing furniture in the north direction is crucial for maintaining the flow of prosperity and well-being. Avoid heavy or bulky furniture here, as it can create energetic blockages. Opt for lighter pieces and arrange them to allow open space and ease of movement. A clutter-free and thoughtfully arranged north direction invites clarity, peace, and abundance. Vastu principles foster a conscious connection with our living spaces. To tap into the north's power, maintain its cleanliness and keep it clutter-free. Like a clear stream flows effortlessly, a clutter-free north allows positive energy to flow. By tending to the north direction, we invite clarity, abundance, and peace into our lives. The north, direction of wealth and prosperity, is associated with Kuber, the god of wealth. Honoring Kuber here enhances abundance and blessings. Create a space for Kuber in the north with a picture or idol. Light a lamp or incense as a gesture of respect and gratitude. As we conclude our exploration of the north direction, let's appreciate Vastu Shastra's wisdom. Vastu guides us to design our living spaces to invite positive energy, balance, and abundance. Thank you for watching. We hope these Vastu tips help you harness the north direction's positive energies. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on creating a harmonious living space.